Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. It is November 15th. We got quite a few data to go over today, so we'll just jump right into it. We'll start with the retail sales for the month of October. So in September, retail sales went down by 0.3%. However, forecasts account for 0.2% increase in October, and it increased a little bit higher than expectations at 0.3%, which is obviously a good sign. We like to see retail sales improve. Retail sales, when you remove the big ticket items like auto, we had a drop of 0.1% in September. Forecasts account for a nice pickup of 0.4%. It only went up 0.1%. So better than a contraction, but it did improve a little bit, but lower than our expectations of 0.4%. Import prices went up a little bit in October. However, in September it was down 0.4%. Expectations were for another drop of 0.2%. However, it did increase by 0.2% in October. And then we got Empire State Index. This is an index that collects data for manufacturing in the New York region. And anything below like zero or below is considered. Below zero is contraction. Anything above it is expansion. So you can see here that it's barely expanding here. So we had a 4.0 back in October, and November so far it's only at 2.9. So obviously not a very good sign right there for manufacturing. We're still kind of struggling in terms of the manufacturing sector here. Industrial production, as we can see here, another good example. In September it dropped 0.4%. Forecast is calling for a 0.5% drop in October, and it exceeded that. It dropped further down to 0.8% in October. And then we got capacity utilization. We were at 77.5 in the month of September. Forecast calling for a slight drop, a drop down to 77.0, and it dropped even further down to 76.7, which is the lowest we've been at in about 2 years. It's kind of at a 2-year low right now. And last but not least, we got business inventories for the month of September. So both August and September, there's unchanged. So economy's been business has been not too comfortable. They've been kind of just sitting still, kind of waiting, seeing where things are. That's, if you recall, that's kind of when we started getting more into the nitty gritty of the U.S. and China trade talks and stuff, and we're getting into the tariffs. So business inventories severely dropped as a result of it. So let's jump ahead here to the headline news, and stock market is up. They're clinging. What's kind of driving it? They like the retail sales. It's kind of one of the things that they did like, that it popped upwards. However, they are also trying to cling to any type of positive news that they can get, that there might be some type of agreement between U.S. and China coming up. Now, Larry Kudlow had been mentioned as made a comment saying that we're pretty close or getting down to the details. President Trump likes what he has so far, but he has not yet committed. So as of right now, there is no official agreement, but so they're kind of clinging to anything they can get that is positive news to justify the higher stock price, the rally that they recently had, because any positive news is what kind of drove that. And so they're trying to cling to that and hoping that something comes out soon. If not, we'll probably see a pullback in the stock market, which could help a bond market. So speaking of such, we are down about 5 basis points. So we're right up. We kind of broke above the, the was not the no it was the 100-day moving average and 25-day moving average. So we're right up against this 50-day moving average. It's right here, and that's kind of put a lid on it so far this morning. It did the same thing yesterday. We broke above it yesterday, and we got the lid right there from the 50-day moving average. And right now we're kind of facing that. We're down about 5 basis points from where we left off. So we're about the same as what we left off yesterday in pricing. So we had a decent day, obviously, breaking above those two, and hopefully we can at some point break above the 50, and that will give us plenty more room. We got pretty close to about the 102 at the 101.904 level here, next Fibonacci. So if we can break above that, we can have a nice little rally upwards, got some room upwards. So let's keep our fingers crossed. And yields right now are down. We're kind of pretty close to where we were yesterday, about 1.83. So we're just a hair under, like 1.829, I think it is, to be more accurate with the reporting on the 10-year Treasury. All right, so rates are again will remain unchanged. We had improvement yesterday, but today we're down slightly, but it's not enough to make any change in the pricing right now. So again, mortgage rates are unchanged for the day and heading into the weekend, and then tomorrow on Monday we'll start afresh. If you guys are looking to buy or refinance and you're located in California, I'd love to hear from you guys. Please reach out, either direct message me or email me is the best way to reach me. I am a loan officer with Pinnacle Home Loans. We do offer quite a variety of loan programs, and uh, so we can do a lot for you guys. Let's talk and see what we can do for you guys. All right, everybody. Loan is not a one size fits all, so we do have stuff out there for you guys. Love to hear from you. Have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. We'd love to see you guys on Monday. Bye bye.